I didn't experience anything, nothing. And it was during my stress test that they said there was something odd.
Initially, I was having symptoms, fainting spells, heart palpitations. My initial cardiologist was just band-aiding my symptoms.
I went to a male cardiologist who was trying to say that my problem was not a heart problem, it was a lung problem.
And you worry, and being a single parent, I worry that, is my lifestyle going to catch up with me sometimes?
When we look at the statistics and we see that more women die from heart disease than men, and we try to understand why is that happening, it's complex. So I decided to take it upon myself to come out here and then talk about the condition and help them understand why are we different, what can we do to prevent becoming another statistic in cardiovascular disease.
I say to anybody that, is having symptoms that they can't find out what's wrong, go to a female cardiologist.
My message to all the women that are watching this documentary is to speak up and do not let the silence become the ultimate silence event.